हेलो जी, सत श्री अकाल। मेरा नाम हितेश रोमानी है। मैं मुंबई से का रहने वाला हूँ। तकरीबन लास्ट 10 सालों से मुझे नंबर था। इनिशियली इट वाज जस्ट 1.25 एंड 1.75। तो मुझे फेयर इनफ दिखता था चीज़ें। तब मेरा जॉब पीसी पे नहीं था इतना, सो आई टू नॉट वेयर इट। बट लेटर ऑन जब वो पीसी पे जॉब आया, आई डिडंट हैड द हैबिट ऑफ वेयरिंग स्पेक्टिकल्स और लेंस और एनीथिंग। सो नंबर बढ़ रहा था फ्रॉम लास्ट 10 years. सो आई डिड लिटिल बिट ऑफ रिसर्चिंग ऑन इंटरनेट कि कौन सी लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी है मार्केट में आज की डेट पे जो लेजिक है, ब्लेडलेस है ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज आई एम क्वाइट स्कैर्ड ऑफ ब्लेड्स, एंड पेनलेस है ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज जब आई पे सर्जरी होता है तो पेन इज़ रियली टेरिबल टू सी. So I came to know about this HDV refractive 2.0, HDV design 2.0, and this is a technology which has come in 2019 only, I guess, from Paris, I guess. और ये सिर्फ दो ही, आई गेस दो या एक ही इंडिया में इंस्टीट्यूट है, हॉस्पिटल है जिनके पास मैंने रिसर्च की तो आई गॉट की टू कि बंचल आई हॉस्पिटल इज़ वन ऑफ दोज जिनके पास ये लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी है. सो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू गिव अ ट्राई टू इट. So I finally decided, Diwali I had a break of 7 to 15 days from my job, so I flew with my parent and I came over here to give a try. Initially यहाँ पे आने के बाद the staff was quite friendly. They took a test of almost 5-7 different tests, out of which 3 was like electronic and 2 were like manual. एंड उसके बाद मुझे काउंसलिंग की गई. मुझे बताया गया कि मेरी आइज़ की क्या सिचुएशंस है और क्या वो नॉर्मल है या क्रिटिकल है, वॉट एवर इट वॉज. आई वॉज क्वाइट ब्रीफ्ड अबाउट इट. और उसके बाद मुझे बताया गया कि इफ़ आई कैन गो फॉर द लेजिक सर्जरी, आई कैन गो फॉर द सेम डे, which would hardly take 10 to 15 minutes. So I just discussed with my parents. My father was here and we decided to go for it. And I guess I was just given 1 hour of a time, and after that my surgery was due. I took just 2 glasses of juices. I went to the surgery. In surgery there was nothing as specific, I would say, that was painful or something, but it was a little scary to me because I have never been gone to any kind of surgery before. So it was quite scary a little bit initially, but after that it was not at all, I would say, that it was painful or I was hesitant about anything in the surgery at all. It hardly took 10 to 20 minutes to complete the surgery, and post that there were some precautions which I was asked to take care that the soap, water or a lot of light should not, my eyes should not be exposed to light, soap or water or anything like that. So yeah, there were precautions for 2 days. This is my 3rd day, I guess. The day before yesterday, Monday, I had the surgery. Today is Wednesday, and I can quite see very clearly. I think it's my clarity as told by the Dr. Ashish Bansal was like 6/6, which is like almost the max a person can see through his naked eyes. So if I rate this institute about its staff, I would give like 4.5 out of 5. They are very friendly. They feel like family. They are not treating me as a patient. They are quite treating me as their kind of a family member. If I talk about the technology, as I said, is the latest one they have got in India. It's called HDV Eye Design 2.0, which is, you have to really research a lot about it because I'm not really clear about the technicalities, but it's quite a good one. If I talk about post surgery precautions, it's not as much as I have heard or seen my sister when she got her LASIK 5 to 8 years back. She had to be in the house for at least 15 to 20 days, and I think it's just been 2 to 3 days I can go out and meet my friends and walk out without glasses and talk in the light also. So I think after post surgery also there is not a lot of precautions that you are bound to be in your house for a very long time. It's just 3 or 4 days. And lastly, if I talk about results, results are really good. I'm quite confident and clear about what I see and what I say also. So thank you so much, Bansal Eye Hospital, for this genuine experience, and I'm truly grateful for you. Thank you so much.